friends, we'll show how to find the percentage. Here you can see three amounts: 50,000, 25,000, 10,000. The percentage is 9% and the amount will be equal to 50,000 into 9%, that is 4,500. For an FD, fixed deposit, if the amount is 50,000, the bank will be giving 9%. Yearly amount you are going to get is 4,500, and if that is in monthly, it will be 4,500 divided by 12. So for a 50,000 rupees, percentage is 9, then monthly you will be getting 3,375 and yearly it will be 4,500. For 25,000 it will be same calculation. Here it is B3 into percentage 2,250. Here I can do same thing. I can drag this calculation. See, this D3 divided by here D2 divided by here B2. So I'll be copying the percentage here and drag the calculation like this. Same thing will happen, D4 into C4 and D4 divided by 12. So you can see 9% here repeating. So without repeating like this, we can put in one place. I will be showing that in the below example. So 9% I put here. How we can find the same thing in the below section? Equal to 50,000 into 9%, 4,500, equal to 4,500 divided by 12. You got the amount. Here I drag the formula. Here I am dragging the same thing, but you can see a wrong number because you can see B8 into C7. So how can we handle this one? Click here. Here C6 is a constant thing that is not going to change in the below rows also. See like this. When you drag this one, you can see C6 is constant here, 6 here also it is constant, but here it is B7, here it is B8. Like this it will be going. So when you put dollar before the cell number and the cell name, that cell value will not change, means it will be a constant value. So like this we can do the calculation. So whenever you want a bulk difference on some calculation, how can you do like this? Only one place you can put 8% or 9% or 6.5%. See here you can see a decimal, long decimal it is coming. For that you can use this degrees decimal. Okay, if you want to round further, you click on this one. If you want to increase the decimal, like this. So these are the simple things we are using in a daily calculation on accounting side and on banking side, or our personal calculations. You can use this one. Thank you.